Windows are more than just openings in your walls. They're essential to your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and comfort. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, the benefits of custom window replacement go beyond simply replacing old windows. They offer a unique way to upgrade both the look and functionality of your property. Here's how custom window replacement can make a transformative impact on your Gilbert home. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows significantly contribute to your home's exterior aesthetics, and custom windows allow you to match or enhance your home's style. Unlike standard, off-the-shelf options, custom windows come in a variety of styles, shapes, and colors, giving you complete control over how they look from the outside. You can choose finishes, frame colors, and designs that complement your home's architecture, whether it's a modern, Southwest, or traditional look. Custom windows can serve as standout architectural features, transforming your home's curb appeal and making it look fresh, updated, and uniquely yours. Improved energy efficiency for Gilbert's climate. Gilbert's intense heat and sunshine mean that energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Custom windows can be tailored with energy-efficient features specifically for Gilbert's climate, helping keep your home cool and reducing energy bills. With options like low-E glass, double or triple glazing, and gas fills like argon or krypton, custom windows minimize heat transfer and maintain a consistent indoor temperature. These features reduce the workload on your air conditioning, leading to energy savings that add up over time. When designed with Gilbert's heat in mind, custom windows not only transform your home's efficiency but also increase its long-term value. Maximized natural light and customized views. One of the unique advantages of custom windows is the ability to design them to maximize natural light and frame your property's best views. Custom windows can be created in larger sizes or unique shapes to capture beautiful views of the desert landscape or backyard garden. Opting for custom configurations, such as large picture windows, sliding glass panels, or bay windows, allows you to bring in more natural light, making your interiors feel more open and inviting. With the right placement and design, custom windows can seamlessly blend the indoors and outdoors, creating a brighter, more visually appealing living space. Tailored functionality for specific rooms. Custom windows provide the flexibility to choose designs that meet the unique needs of each room. For example, in a bathroom, frosted or tinted glass can offer privacy while still allowing in light. In the kitchen, casement or awning windows provide easy ventilation, letting you quickly release cooking odors or steam. Custom windows in bedrooms can feature double-hung or slider options for adjustable airflow. With custom replacements, you can prioritize functionality without compromising on style, creating a more comfortable and personalized living experience throughout your home. Better noise reduction. Whether it's traffic noise, barking dogs, or lively neighborhood sounds, outdoor noise can impact your home's tranquility. Custom windows allow you to choose glazing options that provide better sound insulation, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Laminated or double-pane glass options are popular in custom windows for their noise-reducing benefits. By reducing outside noise, custom windows enhance your home's comfort and make each space more enjoyable, particularly if you work from home or prefer a calm atmosphere. Increased home value. Investing in custom window replacement is a smart way to increase your property's value. Custom windows give your home a high-end look, making it more appealing to potential buyers. Additionally, the energy efficiency, modern style, and functionality they add are attractive features for the Gilbert real estate market. When buyers see that a home has custom, high-quality windows, they view it as a home that has been well cared for and updated with intention, which can positively impact resale value. Perfect fit and quality craftsmanship. Unlike standard windows, which are manufactured to generic sizes, custom windows are crafted to perfectly fit your home's unique window openings. This eliminates gaps that can allow drafts, dust, or moisture to enter, providing a tighter seal and better insulation. A perfect fit is especially important in Gilbert, where dust and temperature fluctuations can easily seep through poorly fitting windows. Custom windows are built to precise measurements, ensuring that they are both functional and durable. With professional installation, custom windows offer a quality of craftsmanship and precision that makes a noticeable difference in your home's comfort and aesthetics. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. Custom windows are often made with higher quality materials, increasing their lifespan and reducing the need for repairs. Materials like fiberglass, vinyl, and treated wood are popular for custom windows in Gilbert because they withstand intense heat, resist warping, and require minimal maintenance. By investing in durable custom windows, you're setting up your home for years of hassle-free enjoyment with windows that won't need frequent replacements or repairs. Custom window replacement offers a comprehensive upgrade that transforms your Gilbert property's look, comfort, and efficiency. With the ability to personalize everything from frame material to functionality, custom windows are a perfect fit for homeowners looking to create a distinctive, energy-efficient, and beautiful home. Whether you want to enhance curb appeal, improve indoor comfort, or increase your home's value, custom windows are a smart investment that pays off in both aesthetics and long-term savings. For Gilbert homeowners, choosing custom window replacements tailored to the local climate is a decision that combines style and practicality, making your home not only a place to live but a place to love.